Hi everyone, welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa. I am the Crafty Author and welcome to my quilting studio. Today we are going to be doing something really fun as promised. So we are going to be unboxing this awesome gift that Vevor has sent to us. And I am so excited for what is inside of this box because it is a total game changer. And I know you're going to agree with me on this. So I am going to unbox this to show you what it is. And then I'm going to show you how it works. And then I'll give you my honest review after I have used this and let you know what I think of it. All right. So what we have here is I have gone ahead and opened up the box, but what's inside of it is an electric rotary cutter. Isn't this cool? Look at that. Isn't she beautiful? So I've been wanting one of these for quite a while. And I am super excited to test this out because I have a feeling it is going to be a total game changer. Here is some oil, some tools to go with your cutter. You get 2 batteries that come with it and the charger. And then also you get some sandpaper, an extra blade. So let's check this out. So I've gone ahead and charged the battery. So everything is good to go. I fit it into the back here where it's supposed to go. And as you can see, this actually has rollers on it on the bottom. So you don't need to worry about, if you're doing this like on your floor or whatever, you don't have to worry about it cutting through because this is on rollers and you're just gonna guide it through. And you can turn on, we're gonna go ahead and turn this on. And I'm just gonna give you a little demonstration. Right here at the top, so that the control button, the power button is right here underneath the handle. When you turn it on, a little light will come on, a little red light. You want to pull your safety shield up, and then you would just press your control button here. And I'm going to do the different speeds that it has. So I'm going to show you that. There's the lowest, medium, high, highest, higher, and then lower. So you can see that you can cut at different speeds. So if you're cutting through, you know, something that's much thicker or whatever, then you know you can adjust the settings to however you need it to go. Now this is actually heavy when you're picking it up like this. I mean, it's not like super heavy, but it's got some weight to it. But when you're cutting with it, it just glides. There's no, you're not really needing to lift anything, which is really nice because it would save your wrist and stuff. So we are going to cut our first piece of fabric and see how well that cuts through. Now I do know that my local quilt shop uses this same cutter because I saw them doing it yesterday when I went to the quilt hop. And all they do is they just roll out the bolts and stack it really high. And then they just take it and they line it up and they cut. And it goes through with such ease. It is so wonderful. So we're gonna test this out and we're gonna see how well it works for us. And I am just going to fold them and layer them and see how easy it is to cut the different layers. I'm just gonna fold and then fold it again like that. And let's just see if it'll cut through all of these. I'm pretty sure it will, but I just want to show you for demonstration purposes how well this actually does work. And I'm really excited about this. I've been eyeballing this for quite a while, and I am so excited. So when they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to test this out for them, I said, absolutely, yes, I will do that. And I am so glad that I did, because we are going to have so much fun with this thing. So this is an actual fabric cutter. So I was originally going to try and cut through some through foam board, but I decided against it. Now I'm sure it would cut through that, but it's not intended for that. So I wanted to just keep it for fabric only. So that's what we're gonna do here. And I'm just about done folding all of our fabrics. And now I'm going to give it a try. Okay. Wish me luck. All right, so you can try and use a ruler with this, but it would be extremely difficult to do. So I will show you what I'm talking about. So this goes from underneath. So we're gonna push our blade up. This comes underneath your fabric, and so it would probably be, well, I don't know. Shall we try it? Let's try. Let's just go ahead and cut a little bit off of here and see. Nope, we have to come in further if we want to do that. So let's give this a try. If you're going to use a ruler, you need to give yourself plenty of clearing space so that this can fit under it, like so. All right. I'm nervous. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Okay, so you can try and do it with the ruler. It doesn't, because of how close you have to get to the edge with this, it's a little more difficult, but it can be done. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to just draw a line, and we're going to cut through here. I want to make these wide enough so that I can reuse the fabrics, so that we're not wasting fabric here. Okay. I'm just going to take a water-soluble marker here and mark it. And then I'm not going to use the ruler this time. Now I'm just going to slide underneath here, and I'm just going to put my blade right there. And turn that back on. Look at that. Oh, that is so awesome. You want to be careful because you don't want to chop your fingers off. But anyway, so that is how well it cuts through multiple layers of fabric. So you can see that it's cut through multiple layers. Let's see how it does on just a single type layer. This one's doubled, so let's see. That's kind of cool. Let's crank up the speed. Oh wow, that's cool. All right, let's see. So that cuts really, really well. Now, I wasn't trying to be real precise on here, so, but you can be. Now, the true test is really, to me, because I'm a quilter, and I make a lot of rag quilts, and I cut the filler, not the filler, I'm sorry, the batting for the sandwiching part for my rag quilts. So I'm going to see if it will cut through all of these layers. Look at that. All of those layers. That's a pretty thick layer. I would say that's probably close to, let's measure it. That is almost 2 inches thick. So let's see if it will cut through 2 inches of batting. Let's just see. it cuts through that with ease. I'm just saying. So I'm gonna actually speed this up because I think that might have just been a little bit too slow for it. And I'm gonna give it some pressure here, and we're gonna see how well that cuts it. So it cuts it pretty well, actually. That's pretty thick. Let's take the thickness down just a little bit and see if it cuts it, how it does now. Easy, real easy. So I would say 1.5 inches of thickness is what it'll go up to. 2 is kind of pushing it. But I mean, still, that's pretty amazing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut some squares to show you how quickly you can cut your squares for a rag quilt using this tool. Look at that. Now, if I was being real precise, you know, it would be easy, but I'm not for demonstration purposes. But look at that. See all that? That's how much you could cut in just a matter of seconds. And I don't know about you, but I cannot cut batting that fast. Not with a rotary cutter. Not with anything. Final thoughts. Is it worth it? A resounding yes, it is. Is it easy to use? Absolutely yes. When you first take it out of the box, it is a little on the heavier side, but it's not like so heavy. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I can lift this up with my hand and I have arthritis. If you have arthritis, is this good for you? Absolutely yes, I do believe it is, because it glides. It just glides with those little wheels on the bottom. So I would like to thank Vevor for sending this to me. Vevor for sending this to me. Thank you so very much. I love this. I can't say enough good things about this. As you can see, you can cut things very quickly. You know, it really is kind of a game changer in the quilting world. So you can cut through multiple layers of fabric. If you wanted to cut out an entire quilt, you could probably do that in a matter of, I don't know, a couple of minutes. Wouldn't take very long at all with this handy dandy little tool. So if you would like to follow me on social media, the links are down below in the description box. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to click the little bell. You'll get notified each and every time that I upload an awesomely cool new video. All of the information that you need for this fabric rotary cutter will be down below also in the description box. And keep on crafting. I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.